video just to explain what I did to do the faux fur collar. The measurements for what I did for this are in the blog post for this. I actually knitted this with a very fuzzy yarn. You can use faux fur if you want. I just happen to have this really fuzzy, you can see that, fuzzy yarn handy. I didn't want to, it wasn't enough to do another garment, but it was enough to do this. And what I did was I just knitted a long piece. I think I cast on like 15 stitches and just, again, everything, the information will be in the post, but I just knit a long piece. And then what I did was I didn't want this to be permanent. So I sewed it onto another piece of fabric. And this fabric is the exact same shape as the facing. So what I did was I just cut out another facing and then I hand sewed the collar to it. And the reason I cut out the another facing was I knew it was going to fit within the neckline. And the beauty of this is if you want to do the faux fur look, you just literally tuck it in. And this is long enough that once you tuck it fully in, that is going to stay in place. If you're worried about it moving, however, just add a couple of little snaps to here and the facing on the inside, and then you could just sort of snap it in place. I didn't find I needed to do that, but feel free to do that. So that is what, it's not sitting as nicely right now because I've moved it, but that is what it, you know. And here, I'll just pull the full thing out just so you can see. Just hanging around the neck of Bunty, but yeah, see, it's just the facing pieces. I just hand stitch it down. And then, you know, if you want to go back to having the plain neckline, then you just take it out. And, you know, I did, because my other Christmas dress is also has red in it, you know, I could, you know, put the faux neckline or the faux fur collar piece on that one as well, or any red dress that has a round neck. I could probably get away with putting this in it. So that is how I did that. And again, all of the information is going to be on, like, for how long I did it. You know, all the steps and all that will be over on the blog post.